Right, so this is just my Sara Lee classic pound cake family size. And we just cut these into super thin slices, and we're just gonna lay them right on our cutting board, just like so. We're gonna need at least 12 pieces, 12 slices. Perfect. Now that we have our 12 thin slices of pound cake, I'm gonna bring in my mini Christmas tree cookie cutter, and we're gonna cut out a Christmas tree out of all of these slices of pound cake. I did let my pound cake thaw outside of the freezer for about 1 hour, so it's still a little cold, but it's definitely not frozen, which is the perfect consistency for this easy, no-bake Christmas dessert. Okay, last one. Beautiful. All right, let's put these to the side. And then I am gonna grab my sheet pan with a little cooling rack on top, and we are gonna place our little Christmas trees right on here. We're only gonna start with 6 of them, but you can place as many as you want.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah, they're adorable. Okay, and we'll save those other 6 for later. Okay, now that we have our little pound cake Christmas trees on there, we are gonna grab some Squeeze strawberry fruit spread. You can use whatever jam you like, but I love strawberry. And we're just gonna do a nice little squirt of strawberry jam right on there. That's kind of why I picked the Squeeze, because it's just so easy to get the perfect amount on your little Christmas trees. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, it's so cool, and you're doing such a good job with the jam. I would just do it all over the place.
No, you don't want to add too much jam. That's probably about 1 tablespoon of jam. Now we're going to bring back those mini Christmas trees that we cut out, and we are going to layer these just like that and smash that jam down. See, you don't need to spread it, because when we put that Christmas tree on top, it spreads it. Look how cute these are.
Super cute.
Just quickly get our second layer on top of that jam. And that's why we kind of wanted thin layers, because we're stacking it. And if you did too thick, they would be really big and look a little wonky.
Yeah, you just got to have some patience and go nice and slow, right?
Exactly.
Oh, we're going to go fast.
Bring in a big measuring cup and my Ghirardelli white melting chocolates. We're going to use 2 packages of this white chocolate, and we are gonna melt it to the instructions on the bag. All right, this is all nice and melted, and now we are going to cover our Christmas trees with this white chocolate. Just kind of get a nice even coverage. It will fall down. Ooh, okay, that might have been too much, but that's fine. We will make it work. I kind of just wanna see how that smooths that out so perfectly. Okay, so now that these look all smooth and beautiful, it's time to decorate. We are gonna come in with some melted green colored chocolate, and we are gonna drizzle that right on top of our little Christmas trees. Look how fun those are.
Oh, they look so good.
Now you could just throw on some sprinkles and call it a day, but I feel like this drizzle just makes it really look like a Christmas tree, and it's so fun. And if you couldn't tell, we are kind of making our own little Debbie cakes, but even better because we have that strawberry jam in there. And yeah, it's, I mean, semi-homemade. You know, I didn't make the pound cake, but obviously you can make any cake and kind of use this same technique and get beautiful little Debbie cakes. Oh my goodness.
Babe, I'm gonna tell everybody that we made everything from homemade.
Okay, that's totally fine, but they'll see this video and they'll know otherwise. Okay, and just kind of get that drizzle like along the sides. Just have fun with it. This is the part where your kids could really help out and help you decorate the Christmas trees. This would be fun to decorate for Santa or however you want to do it. Now, I always say more is more, so I'm gonna do some red drizzle now because that just will make it look extra festive. I'm gonna do some of these green sugar sprinkles, nice and tiny and just elegant. And we're gonna go oh so lightly, just like that. Nothing crazy. Oh, that one I went a little crazy, but that's fine.
It looks good when you go crazy.
And then some red sugar sprinkles. And then these are gonna be ready for the fridge. Look, don't those look just like Little Debbie cakes?
They look better than Little Debbie's, baby.
Oh, thank you. Okay, perfect. All right, we're just gonna pop these in the fridge for about 15 minutes and they're gonna be ready to enjoy. Oh my, okay, these have completely hardened and they're ready to be served. I have my cute little Christmas tree platter and we're gonna go ahead and just plop these right on there, just like so. Look how fun they are and so beautiful. I am so happy with how these came out. Just so fun and festive. Okay, it is time to try one. Can't wait to see that jam in there.
Oh, whoa. Is it good?
That is so good. Oh my God, 10 times better than a Little Debbie.